No
This meeting
problem.
is being recorded. Alert.
Okay.
Screen share. Or organizations working for persons with disability. Link skip to main content. Navigation landmark clickable filters and link new link images. Link video main landmark clickable search results heading level 1. Clickable heading level 2 featured snippet from a
Let's
list with
see.
6 items. Bullet National Institutes.
See.
Bullet National Trust. Bullet Chief Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities. Bullet Rehabilitation Council of India. Bullet National Handicapped Finance and Development Corp. Bullet Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India. Out of list clickable link. Link heading level 3 Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities. Link Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities. Link https://disabilityaffairs.gov.in.
See, we got a site where all the registered organizations are listed here.
Yeah.
Right?
Clickable people also ask heading level 2.
Let's see another
Clickable
result.
10 NGOs empowering persons with disabilities gives blog heading level 3 link.
See.
Link give.to. Link https.
This is another blog where I can get the result. From here, I can name that and I can search on their websites. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the way you can search. You can read articles, read things on the blog, on the internet. Do you know what is bookmark?
Yeah, bookmark. If
you can mark
use
up
that option.
Yes, you can use that option to save any websites.
Yes.
Another I can show you, like if you want to store any websites to your desktop as a shortcut. Do you know the method?
Yeah. Like manually, manually, I think so. I know.
Manually.
Toolbar.
For example, blindhelp.net.
BLINDHELP.net. Blind Help Project envisioning a.
Now I'm pressing application key here. See.
Toolbar. Brave menu selected exit X28.
Brave menu. If you're using Chrome, then Chrome menu.
New tab new window new tab control
See,
plus TT
new tab,
new window control plus
new window,
new private window control plus shift plus N.
New private window. Private window means there will be not anything will be stored. Whatever you search, that will be. See, when I first time type blindhelp.net, it will not give any suggestion. When I type second time, it will give the suggestion, right? But in private window, that is not happened. In the case of Brave, it says private window. In the Chrome, it says incognito window. Okay, the feature is same.
New private window with Tor Alt plus Shift plus N4 of 28.
New private window with Tor. So don't go with this Tor because this is the area where you can access the dark web.
Brave rewards 5 of 28.
Brave rewards. This is the Brave feature. If you sign in with Brave, you will get some rewards, some points, and some cash points that will be redeemed on the blah blah blah. If you use Brave browser.
History submenu H6 of 28.
History. Okay. History means all the websites, whichever websites you have visited, you can check that from the history. Shortcut is Control H. And then if you download something, all the downloads will be there in Control J. If you press Control J, all the downloads will be there. We will show this in the next day. Huh?
Yeah, and if we can do the same by pressing Shift F6 also.
Yes.
Bookmarks submenu B7 of 28.
Bookmarks, all the bookmarks is there.
History recently history control his bookmarks sub downloads control plus JD
See,
of
downloads.
28. Wallet 9 of 28.
Wallet, it's a Brave wallet. It's a Brave special
Extension
feature.
D10 of 28.
Extensions we will talking about later.
Sync 11 of 28.
Sync.
Show sidebar submenu 12. Brave VPN 13. Create a new profile 14 of 20. Brave VPN 13 of 28.
Brave VPN means it's a special feature of Brave. Brave always give you a VPN. It's a special feature of Brave.
Create open guest window 15 of 28.
Open guest window, it's like Google's guest.
Make text smaller 16 of make text full screen print. Find more tool submenu L21 of 28.
This option, more tool, if I press the expanding this.
Save page as control plus S1 of 7. Create shortcut 2 of 7.
Create shortcut. This is the option. If I press enter.
Toolbar create shortcut dialog. Shortcut name edit selected blind help project envisioning a brighter tomorrow through
I just hear blind help.
BLINDHELP space double EBSITE.
Pressing enter, or you can press OK also.
Blind help project.
Now see, I've closed. I'll go and go to my desktop.
Blind help website 33 of 33.
Right, if I press enter, then let's see what will happen.
Untitled Brave, blind help project envisioning a brighter tomorrow.
It opens with Brave because it's a Brave shortcut. It's not the Chrome shortcut, right? If I save it from Chrome, then it will open from Chrome. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can shortcut this, and this shortcut you can share with anyone, but do not directly you can share, but like in a folder. For example, you can folder some important website or shortcuts, and you can zip it and you can share with others. They can use it. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the options. This is the way you can explore. Now downloading things. Okay, I'll cover the downloading things also. The last thing, because internet is not, I mean, there's not so much things in there. We will complete this module today itself. Okay, so see.
Address it. A.
For example, we want to download a song. Or okay, we want to download a PDF because song it will take long time. So I will tend to rights of
RADIGATS space OF space
rights of PWD in India.
PWD space IN space INDIA
India
space
PDF download
PDF space DOWNLOAD.
We have written this. Now I'm pressing enter.
Google.com/search Q equals rights plus.
No, see.
Navigation mainland clickable the right of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 heading level 3 link.
See.
Link Uttar Pradesh Financial. Link http://www
This is a website.
PDF. Button about this result. December 20th. Clickable rights of the disabled heading link nhrc.nic.in. Link https://nhrc.nic.in sites default files DISA. PDF. Link heading level 3 rights of the disabled.
If I click enter here, see.
Embedded object unavailable.
See, the PDF is opened with the browser, right?
Booklet rights of disabled.pmd. Page number edit 1/57. Button zoom button tap the page 1 landmark.
See, you can read.
Anirata Mohit Miro heading level 2 disabled. Heading level 2 Anirata Mohit. Heading level 2 Miro Pillai. Heading level 2 Pratiti Runkta. Nasha Faridkit House. Kapur New Delhi 110,001 L 23.
Right? This is the rights of PWD. Now you can save this. How you can save this? You can just press Ctrl S, C.
Save as dialog. File name. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus N selected disabled rights 1.pdf.
Right?
Document.
Otherwise, see, here is the option.
B. Document.
If I go button wise.
No next button. Button X zoom out button zoom and but fit the page rotate count download button.
Download button. Right?
Yeah.
So this is the way we can download this PDF. And we can download the software similarly from blindhelp.net. Another website is ninite.com, ninite.com. Do you know about it?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Ninite.com is a software panel where you can download your regular tools. It's very easy. So just visit that website and you can able to understand. You can do explore with your own. Ninite.com, ninite.com. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now next thing is, for example, if I want to download any song, let's see. Actually, I don't know. Do you know Hindi?
No. I mean, you're asking, I mean, what?
No. Okay, so for example, okay, so let's search. Actually, I'm asking about a song name.
Kacha Badam.
Oh, do you know that also? But that is not the song. We can't download it. Nah? This is a not official song. We need to search an official song. Like, okay, let me search a Bengali song also, because our focus is to like how to download, right? That's it.
Yeah.
So there are various sites who are providing music file to downloadable music files. So I'm searching for so I'm searching for
and search one of N. C search AOL space RASTAY space SAGE space ERA space ART space ERAM space IE space.
This is the song name which I have written till now. Now I am writing that
FREE space
free MP3 download.
MP3 space DOWNLOAD.
Then we'll get the exact We will give the exact search. Now I'm pressing enter.
Google.com/search Q equals Joel plus Raste plus.
Now today's date is, in today's date, most of the people download songs from YouTube, but still we have to learn.
Navigate showing results for Joel Raste Saji Tram line free MP3 download links or heading level 3 search instead for link heading level.
See, this is the song name.
Result showing. Result 4.
Okay.
Link Joel Raste Saji Tram line.
This is the file, the song name. Though it's a Bengali song, but still it's just a file song name.
Free MP download out of search main lap clickable. Chat clickable Chal Rastai Saji Tram line. Female Shreya Ghoshal heading level 3 link.
Okay.
Link pagalworld.in.
This is the website. Somethingworld.in. So I'm
Link
pressing
heading
enter
level.
here. Let's see.
Chal Rastai Saji Tram line. Female Shreya Ghoshal.
Now I'm pressing going to hearing
Categories
voice.
heading level weekly top song Chal Rastai Saji Chal Ghoshal MP3 Punjab MP3 heading level 2 download Shreya Ghoshal Chal Rastai
There are a
Saji
lot
Tram
of
line.
things we'll
Female
download.
MP3 song.
This is the heading.
Graphic 1654 5 table with 7 row column 2 Chal Rastai Sa row 2 column 1 clapperboard album / movie column 2 link autograph row 3 column 1 microphone singer column row 4 column 2 row 5 column 1 pen
These are the
lyrics.
song details.
Column 2 unknown row 6 column 1 inbox tray download column 2 column 1 inbox tray download column 2 64,541 row 7 column 1 spiral calendar added on column 2 column rows column 1 inbox tray download column row set column 2 out of table separator tags a Z Bengali movie MP3 song Instagram TikTok music short button song Insta download link 1 heading level 2
See, download link 1.
link Chal Rastai Saji Tram line female.mp3
This is a one download link.
heading level 2 download link 2
Download link 2. It's an alternative link.
Link
See, if I press enter. See. Let's see how it happens. Will it download or not?
heading level 2 download link 2 link Chal Rastai Saji
Let's
Tram
try the
line
2
female.mp
second link.
link Chal Rastai Saji Tram line Faye link heading level 2 download related songs link Chal untitled Brave Chal Rastai Saji Tram line female Shreya Ghoshal Chal Rastai visited link Chal Rastai.
See, somehow the link is not working. So this is the actual problem. Okay, so once you have to find the things, find the way to download. Okay, it's quite tough. Not tough. You have to search. But today's date you can easily download with by using any from YouTube. Even is there is an NVIDIA add-on also.
Yes.
To download songs, right? So these are the fundamentals of browsing internets with screen readers. We have finished this module. If you have doubts, queries, you want to ask anything, you can ask me. I'll be happy to help you. Extension part is okay. So extension part, I will cover it in the next class. But still, the fundamentals of this modules is over. So do you want to ask something?
No doubts at all.
Okay, so I'm just going to close, stop the recording. So this is for the day.